Excuse the scruff. I've been sick. I haven't been shaving. Bhakti and Jessica is now Jalatala Devi Dasi. Note the pronunciation. That's a long A at the end. Jalatala. This is a name of Srimati Radharani from Radha Sahasranam. It means that she resides on the milk ocean. So this refers to her expansion as Lakshmi Devi. Jalatala is also a name that Srila Prabhupada gave to one of his disciples. She's actually a very great pure devotee. She and her brother approached Srila Prabhupada in their youth in Calcutta, where they're from. They're actually grandniece and grandnephew of Srila Prabhupada, if you want to take the external consideration, but they're eternal son and daughter. Now, when I say she's a great pure devotee, what do I mean? She has thousands of disciples and distributed trillions of books. Actually, she has been distributing books throughout her devotional life or for many years, but it's not that everyone who's a great pure devotee is earth-shattering from the external point of view. There are many devotees who have quietly gone on with their service year after year after year. So my god sister Jalatala Mataji has done that very quietly, very humbly, doing her service, distributing books, serving the deities, serving her husband. Very humble. You wouldn't notice her hardly at all. So I request the new Jalatala Devi Dasi to write an email to my god sister, who is certainly competent to bless her, write asking for blessings. She's married to my godbrother, Bhima Prabhu, Badri Narayan Swami Maharaj must have Bhima Prabhu's email address, so you can write to her via him. You and all others coming into the Krishna conscious movement have many senior devotees to look up to, who spend their whole life in Krishna consciousness. It should be a great inspiration for you there in San Diego, where you're serving Sri Sri Gaurnitai, Sri Jagannath Subhadra Baladev, Sudarshan Chakra, and very beautiful little children, Radha, Giridhari. You have, I've mentioned Badri Narayana Swami, and of course Dravida Prabhu is there. And there are several other devotees who have been year after year after year after year serving. So follow their example, take their blessings, serve Sri Sri Radha Giridhari, serve Sri Radha, whose name you now have, Jalatala Devi Dasi. Hare Krishna.